gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
This is OPPO's gaming-focused smartphone, the OPPO K15 Pro Plus. It comes packed with features you'd normally expect from a serious gaming device, like a built-in cooling fan, advanced night cooling, shoulder controls, a flagship-level processor, and even ambient lighting that gives it a bold, elevated look. With multiple light strips across the design, it really leans into that gaming phone vibe, yet it still manages to stay affordable. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S flagship chip, which handles all popular games with ease and keeps everyday performance smooth and responsive. And when it comes to heat management, you don't have to stress at all because the K15 Pro Plus brings a surprisingly powerful and well thought out cooling system. One of the standout features here is the built-in cooling fan. You don't usually see this in many smartphones. It's mostly reserved for high-end gaming flagships. So for a mid-range K-series phone to include active cooling like this is a big deal, making that premium feature much more accessible. Even though the phone is positioned at a lower price point, OPPO hasn't cut corners with the fan. It includes proper dust and water resistance, and compared to the previous generation, those protections have been improved even further. And honestly, it looks pretty awesome in action. With the fan running, I even dropped the phone straight into water. You could actually see a few bubbles coming out, which shows just how well the waterproofing has been handled this time. The fan also supports a smart variable speed mode, similar to how an air conditioner adjusts its performance. It automatically changes speed depending on the phone's temperature, keeping things cool without unnecessary noise. There's also a thoughtful feature in the settings where the fan pauses automatically when you're using the microphone, so it doesn't interfere with your audio. It's a small detail, but it really improves the overall experience. Now, let's talk about the shoulder controls, which are a key part of any gaming phone. Interestingly, the K15 Pro Plus takes a slightly different approach by including just a single shoulder button. OPPO calls it the Lingxi Button, and even though there's only one, it's surprisingly versatile. Within the system, you can double tap it to quickly launch the game center, access fan controls, or toggle ambient lighting. And when you're in-game, a long press lets you turn the fan on or off, take screenshots instantly, start screen recording, or even customize it for other gaming actions. For example, when you're playing PUBG, you can map it for quick aiming, and in Honor of Kings, it can be set up for instant skill activation or even triggering your ultimate. Now, while the built-in air cooling system is already pretty powerful, if you're pushing the phone hard, especially during long gaming sessions, you'll still want extra cooling. That's where the K15 Pro Plus does something different. Instead of building night cooling directly into the phone, OPPO has integrated it into a special phone case. And this case actually has a large dedicated cooling area. Once you snap on the case and activate it, you can see the liquid inside start moving, helping to pull heat away from the device really quickly. It's honestly a very unique approach, and the case itself looks pretty stylish too. When you combine this cooling case with the phone's internal system, the heat dissipation gets even better. And let's be real, summer is almost here, and using your phone outdoors in 30-degree heat can get uncomfortable fast. With both air cooling and this liquid-based night cooling working together, this could easily be one of the coolest phones to use during hot weather. What's interesting is that this phone isn't just aimed at gamers. It's also designed with outdoor users in mind, like delivery riders. The K15 Pro Plus includes a high-energy outdoor mode that boosts screen brightness, increases call volume, and extends automatic video recording time. At the same time, it strengthens alert sounds and automatically turns on the cooling fan to manage heat more effectively. Add the cooling case into the mix, and the overall experience becomes even more reliable outdoors. The display itself is also impressive, with a peak global brightness of up to 1800 nits, so visibility in bright sunlight isn't an issue at all. On the battery side, you get a massive 8,000 milliamp hours capacity, which can easily last you through a full day, along with 100 watts fast charging for quick top-ups. There's also bypass charging, a feature gamers will appreciate. When the phone heats up, this allows power to go directly to the system instead of the battery, reducing heat buildup and helping protect battery health. Overall, the K15 Pro Plus feels incredibly well-rounded in terms of features and performance. When it comes to cooling, it might just be one of the strongest contenders this year. With its dual fan setup and external cooling solution, it can fully unleash the power of the Dimensity 9500S during heavy gaming while still staying cool in hot outdoor environments. Whether you're a student looking for a powerful gaming phone on a budget or someone who works outside all day like a delivery driver, this is definitely a device worth checking out.